Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can upload receipts and post transactions from these receipts on Kashoo accounting software. To upload the receipt, you need to go to section on sidebar called Inbox. Here, click on Receipt and select receipt you want to add on your system or upload on system. Kashoo accounting software will already take information from this receipt and try to pre-fill as much as it can. So for example, if date is not right, select the correct date. In my case, I will select 9th. Description is right. Category, this is where you want this cost to go. In my case, it goes to meals and entertainment expenses. If you have taxes or you claim taxes as a VAT registered business, select appropriate tax. In my case, I'm going for full amount. And once you are happy with this entered transaction, you can post transaction. Also, at the top, we have option to edit, post, delete, and undo changes. So when I click on edit, there is one important point. Make sure that deposit account is actually cash if you have paid in cash. If you haven't, you need to select the correct account. In my case, I paid from bank. Maybe you have credit card accounts and you will need to select a credit card account. So paid from bank account, 9th of May, it's expense. Just scan through information, you can add more details, and here is attached receipt. So once you're happy with this information, click post. Also, we can upload a batch of receipts. For example, I will attach these 3 receipts, click open, and system will upload all 3 of those on my inbox section. Also, there is notifications, there is 3 uploads awaiting to be posted or confirmed on system. So check a date. This is correct date of receipt, but my tax year starts from 6th of April and I will be unable to post them. For example, if I select this and click on edit and I want to post it, system will not allow me because opening date receipt is before my opening date. So we'll just change this to May, 10th May. I will select correct bank account because this transaction goes from bank account. It's fine. Expense category is advertising. No tax. If you have notes, add, and there is a receipt attached. So once I'm happy with these details, I click post. Okay, and transaction being posted. So in this episode, I covered how you can upload your receipts and post those transactions on your Kashoo accounting software. Also, I have shared my complete Kashoo accounting software tutorial. In this tutorial, I cover all sections in detail. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.